Large or small fonts. How to determine if the current machine has large or small fonts installed. Windows settings can come in two flavors: small fonts and large fonts, found under Control Panels, Display Properties, Settings, Font Size. These settings have a real effect on what your forms look like because they affect the positioning and size of controls, but unfortunately not the form size itself. So a form that was designed in small fonts to have the controls neatly fill the form looks a real mess in large fonts. Window too small. Scroller on right and bottom. You may want to find out what the setting is of the system running your software and adjust things accordingly, e.g. increase form width and height by 1.25 when going to large fonts. You can determine what the font setting is by looking at the PixelsPerInch property. If it is 96, it is small fonts. If 120, it is large fonts. Incidentally, there is a bug in Delphi 4.0. If you have a form with status bar with default font compiled when in small fonts, the font comes out bold when run in large fonts. The only way around that I have found is to compile in large fonts.